to my Adventech channel. Today I am going to show in this video Xbox app not downloading or installing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Xbox app not downloading or not installing on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on start menu, then type here, you need to click on start menu, then you can search app and future, or you can search app and browser control. You can see here in this, you can see here app and browser control. Just click on this. First you need to click on the start menu, then you have to type here settings, click on settings. In left section you can see here apps, click on the apps. In right section you can see here apps and future, just click on the apps and future. You can see here app list. In this search box you need to find Xbox. You can see here Xbox. You can see here this three dot, just click on this, click on advanced option. First click on repair and check whether the problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then click on reset, then close this window and click on start menu, then open command prompt. Into type cmd, just right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Here into type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. Guys, here it will take some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Xbox app not downloading or not installing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.